subscribe to Soil Cup.
India is already World Diabetes Capital, and very soon WHO says that it is going to be World Heart Disease Capital as well.
Live life more, live your life.
Hello friends, I'm dietitian Pallavi Jassal from Live Life More Diet and Wellness Clinic Chandigarh and livelifemore.com. First of all, I would like to thank Soil Cup for giving me this opportunity to speak about my enterprise and sharing my ideas and views with all of you. I think it is a very good platform for all of us, the entrepreneurs, to share their journeys with each other and with people. On a very lighter note, how did Live Life More come into existence? Actually, it came into existence after a matrimonial ad. So you'll be astonished because Dr. Sandeep Jassal, who is a wellness coach and he happens to be my husband, he gave an advertisement in paper that he wants a wife who is a nutritionist, and that's how it started. So we got married, so we thought that we have to do something which is beneficial for the society, and it was very long back and people didn't know about the concept of the diet clinic, because many people used to tell us, what is this diet, why would we spend money when we know something that if you are sick what you have to do. But the concept of preventive consultancy, it started way back than we conceived it. So it was a big challenge in the starting years that we had to convince people about the concept of a diet clinic. So I think this consistency and this teamwork has made us what we are today. The best thing about my work, I love my work. Why I love my work? Because it's not just one life we are touching. Because if somebody with diabetes, blood pressure or cholesterol, or if with heart problem or a tumor, some gastrointestinal problem, he comes to us, he or she comes to us. So it is not his life we are touching. We are touching the life of the entire family. We are touching a life. We are touching a community. We are touching a society. So it is an amalgamation of all the members of the family. So if a father in the family is happy, if the father in the family is healthy and without any disease, and if he has had a disease, father or mother, anybody, so if we are trying to help him with diet and lifestyle, it is a big blessing for the entire family, because it's not just about one person in the family, but it is about the entire lives which are weaved around a single person's life. This is the best thing I love about my business. And diet is a very complicated science, because people now, you read from the internet, yes, this for sugar, methi water is good, and for if you are having diabetes, so if you have to lower your glycemic control, if you have to control your sugar, what are the things what you should not be eating. But it is not just about stopping many things, but it is about suggesting you the options which you can have. That these are the certain set of things which are bad for diabetes or for high cholesterol, but what to do? So these are the solutions which we try to give to our clients, and we are very proud to say that we were able to accumulate all the knowledge in our diet plans, which is definitely changing millions of lives world over. Why did we choose this business? We chose this business because over the years, the experience and the knowledge what we have acquired, and we think that this is very important that we disseminate this knowledge between common people. We have clients who are from masses and we have clients who are classes, but it doesn't matter. What matters is their health, because we are doing our work with passion. And one thing, it worries us a lot that India is already World Diabetes Capital, and very soon WHO says that it is going to be World Heart Disease Capital as well. So why not the knowledge and experience which we have gathered over years? So it's important to give the society what we have. So it is very important. And now when we see around us that internet is flooded with lots and lots of information, and many a times we feel that that knowledge is not accurate, it doesn't match with the research, it doesn't match with the facts. So we thought that we must have a platform in which only the qualified people, they give knowledge to others, which is indeed going to be beneficial for them, because as they say, little knowledge is a dangerous thing, and we agree to that. So we thought that we must provide the people, all the people around us, with a platform which is giving accurate information about health and diet. The mantra for success is passion and compassion. Keep your client at your priority. It should be a win-win situation for everybody. It should be win-win situation for you because you have put in a lot of effort, money and your efforts into that. And it has to be a win-win situation for your client who is giving you the money. But it means that we have to keep our compassion and passion towards the interest of the client. And another thing is, which is the backbone of your business, that is the team around you. So it has to be beneficial for them also. We must ensure that they are benefited not only economically, but we should always make efforts so that they also grow with you. And if you keep your staff, if you keep your people happy, so they are going to give you a lot of support, love and cooperation.